runner beans here, which are absolutely fantastic for this time of year.
Obviously you need good seed in the first place, and then you do need to look after it. So we do spend a lot of our time looking after vegetables. We don't weight them or anything. People tend to think you tie a weight to the bottom of runner beans to keep them straight, but we don't.
Not only did it win, but it's also got the best dish in the show.
And it's nice to know that when you've sort of taken all the time and effort that we have, that it was worth it really, I suppose you could say.
There are three things that really matter. Size, just appropriate size, uniformity.
And the uniformity is just not in size, it's also in shape, it's also in colour.
And condition, as far as being edible are concerned. We do not eat them, but we just judge them by appearance.
He's too strict. He's taken too many skins off. I put money on that.
If someone starts off on this path of growing vegetables for exhibition, what they need to do is to concentrate on quality and uniformity, and don't be blinded by size.
And anybody can take part.
Some are tempted, sometimes they get, oh, that's a good carrot, and it's probably 12 inches long, and they stick it in with a tool like that. So even if you have to go down in size, try and get your uniformity right.
And the rejects get eaten, obviously.
But you will find that most exhibitors are very helpful, so don't be afraid to ask questions.